Hello, in this video I will repair this television. This television doesn't play. Now you can see the LED indicator is still on. We can confirm that the power supply works. When we press the power on button, when we press the power on button, only sound. The screen of this television doesn't light up. The LED indicator is blinking. We can confirm that the microprocessor works well because every time we press the power on button, the microprocessor will order the horizontal sweep section to operate. In this case, the horizontal sweep section has the problem. We have to check the horizontal sweep section. Now, let's start. First, we have to check this transistor and transformer. First, we have to check this transistor and the transformer. Pin base of this transistor will receive the horizontal sweep signal from the secondary winding of the transformer. To work, the secondary winding of the transformer, you should pay attention. If the horizontal sweep section works well, there must be AC voltage at the secondary winding of the transformer. Pin base of this transistor will receive the signal from the secondary winding of the transformer. First, we have to separate between the transformer and pin base of this transistor. We have to measure the AC voltage at the two ends of the secondary winding of the transformer. We press the power on button and measure the AC voltage at the secondary winding of the transformer. No voltage here. We can take the transformer out to measure. This is the transformer, the horizontal drive transformer. This is the secondary winding of the transformer. Good. This is the primary coil of the transformer. Oh, the primary coil is broken. We can take it out. We connect and solder it. Or you have to replace another transformer. This is the transformer. We can replace another transformer. The primary coil. Good. The secondary coil. Good. The primary coil. Good. Now, this television is good. I wish you a successful repair. If you feel this video useful, please click subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.